Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Can I get your resume?
Yes, ma'am.
Your name?
Dhanu Mahato.
Dandu?
Mahato.
Madhu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am a Dhanu Mahato. I am from Jharkhand but currently staying in Hyderabad. I did my B.Tech in the stream of Information Technology from University College of Engineering and Technology, Vinova Bhave University, Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. I did my diploma polytechnic in the stream of computer engineering from Government Polytechnic Kutri Bokaro, Jharkhand. I did my schooling from Jagdish Prasad Banwal High School, Laharbida, Bokaro, Jharkhand. Coming to my technical skills, I am good in core Java, HTML, CSS, and basic knowledge of advanced Java. My strengths are I am self-motivated, hard-working, and disciplined person, and quick learner also. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company where I can use my skills, knowledge for the betterment of the company. And my long-term goal is to achieve a good position so where I can build my career and help the organization too. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay. What are your technical skills?
Core Java.
For Java. Okay. What is your short-term goal?
My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company where I can build my careers.
Okay. What is mean by Java?
Java is a programming language which can be developed by Sun Microsystem in 1995.
Okay. What are primitive data types?
A type of primitive data types: int, char, float, double, boolean, long.
What is a class?
Class is the collection of data and method.
What is object?
Object is the instance of class. Once object is created, memory is allocated to the data.
Okay. Okay. What are variables?
Is a reserve memory location to store the value.
Okay. What are constructors?
Is used to initialize an object. Constructor class name or constructor name should be same. Constructor does not have return type.
What are strings?
A string is a predefined class. It is a non-primitive data type and it is immutable in natures.
What is local variable?
Uh, a variable which is declared inside the method is known as local variable.
What is static keyword?
Static. It is a keyword in Java and we can use static for memory management, and we can use this static keyword with variable, method, and block of code. The variable and method which are declared as a static, they belong to classes, not an object, and these variable and method are declared as a static.
Okay. What is exception handling?
Exception is known as exception handling.
Okay. What are the types?
There are two types of exception handling.
Okay. What are they?
And the exception which is handled during compile time is known as checked exception. The exception which are under runtime is known as unchecked exceptions.
Okay. What is call by value?
If we call any method by passing a value as an input parameter.
Okay. What is super keyword?
The super keyword is a reference variable which refers an immediate parent class object.
What are packages?
This is a group of similar type of class or interfaces.
What is subpackage?
Package inside another package is called subpackage.
Okay. What is final?
Final is a keyword. It is used for classes, variable, and method. If for a class, it cannot be inherited. If we use a final keyword for method, the method cannot be in. Keyword for variable, it cannot be written.
Okay. What is command line argument?
Command line argument is argument that is passed at the time of the running the Java program.
What is bytecode?
Compiled from the source code into low level code.
Okay. What is compiler?
Compiler is a program that compiles from machine code.
What is void keyword?
If the method does not return any value, we need to use a void keyword of that method.
What is return keyword?
The method return any value, we need to use a return keyword of that method definition. When a processor executes several tasks simultaneously is known as multitasking.
Okay. What are access modifiers?
Access modifier are four types: private, default, public, and protected. The access level of the private modifier is within the class, and it cannot be accessed outside the class. Default, the access level of default modifier is within the package, it cannot be accessed outside the package. Access level, it can be default. When the access level of protected modifier is within the package and outside the package with child class. The access level of a public modifier is everywhere, within the class, outside the class, within the package and outside the package.
Okay. Types of modifiers in Java.
There are two types of modifiers: access modifier, non-access modifiers.
What is the difference between final and finally?
Final is a keyword and finally is a block.
What is class variable?
Variable which is declared inside the class and outside the method is known as class variable.
Okay. What is this keyword?
This keyword is a reference variable which refers to immediate parent class object class.
What is mean by inheritance?
One child class acquires the property of another class.
Okay. So what are the types of inheritance?
And there are five types of inheritance. Single inheritance will be one parent class and one child class. Multiple inheritance, it is a capability of creating a single in multiple parent class.
Okay. Why multiple inheritance is not supported by Java?
Java is not supported multiple inheritance because of ambiguity problem. If both have so method, and जब हम confuse which so method first execute.
Okay. Can you write a program for inheritance?
Yes, ma'am. I want to explain single inheritance. In this inheritance, there will be one parent class and one child class. Create a class, opening of class method, and class also child class created. In child class, extend first class means all the behavior of first class extend in second class. Opening of class and closing of class.
What is the output of the program?
Create an object as a demo, then it's come executing demo method. If creating demo one method, then both executing demo method and executing demo one method.